first thing you want to do is choose the perfect timing. Choosing the perfect timing is key when it comes to doing your maternity photo shoot. It's best that you do your maternity session between months 6 through 8. These are typically the months where your belly is showing the most and you have a lot of energy before you give birth. So months 6 to 8 are usually in weeks 24 through 36 during your pregnancy, so aim to do your maternity photo shoot then. The second thing you want to consider when planning your maternity photo shoot is choosing the right photographer. Since there are so many photographers to choose from, I want to give you some tips that you can use to choose a photographer that works best for you. Choose a maternity photographer who takes the most weight off of your plate. What do I mean by that? You are already busy preparing to become a mom, being a wife, and also working your corporate job. So trying to figure out all the logistics and intricate details of a maternity photo shoot may cause you to feel overwhelmed and not want to do the shoot anymore. So you want to opt in to a photographer who is going to take most of the weight off of your plate. That's why it's important to find a maternity photographer who specializes in maternity photography that includes things like hair, makeup, wardrobe, transportation, and so many other things that you don't have to worry about. Now that you know when you're going to do your maternity photo shoot, how to pick the right photographer for you, it's important that you now create you a unique idea that tells the story of your pregnancy journey. Your unique idea is something that should be geared towards your pregnancy story. It's important that you opt out of doing a plain background maternity photo shoot and opt into doing something creative. You should be able to work with your photographer to express your vision to them and have them bring it to life, not you bring it to life. So recapping, you want to make sure that you choose the perfect timing when it comes to doing your maternity photo shoot. Second, you want to make sure you find a photographer that takes most of the weight off of your plate. And third, you want to make sure you opt into doing something creative and not opt into doing a basic background maternity photo shoot. And to help you do that, I have created something called the Maternity Idea Vault, which includes 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas for you to use for your next maternity photo shoot. All you have to do is click the link in the description, enter your email, and I will send them instantly over to you so you can finally get the wheels rolling with your maternity photo shoot.